In this video, I will show you how to add Claude in Microsoft Word 2016. To add Claude to Microsoft Word, the first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft Office Word application. From the main interface, click on Add-ins. In the search bar, search for Claude. Now you can see Claude by Anthropic for Word is available. If you're using Microsoft 365, you can add it here as well. Go ahead and click Add. Next, you will need to log in to your Claude account. Click Login, which will open a browser window to authenticate. Click Authorize to grant permission. Once you switch back to Word, you'll see the sign-in is complete. Now you can start using Claude directly inside Word. I'll skip through these initial setup screens for now and click I understand. Finally, you can see the main interface. From here, you can start building content, get help writing your documents, proofread text, edit copy, summarize content, flag issues, perform industry reviews, or tell stories using Claude. You can enter your prompt in the box at the bottom. For example, let's type, "Write content about what is Python." Before sending, you can select your preferred AI model, such as Haiku, Sonnet, or Opus. Once you send the prompt, Claude will start executing. Click Allow if prompted. As you can see, Claude immediately starts generating the document right inside Word. And that's how you can easily integrate and use Claude in Microsoft Word.